一转眼，杰森来美国上学已经1年多了。上期我们说到，他被学校选中，要进学校的天才班。我才知道，原来美国的各个学校都有一个隐藏的项目，叫天才项目。
我给你拿着吧，这个沉。
不需要。
我的老天爷，你看这干啥的？在哪玩那么脏啊
We're getting World War III。
就是从小学阶段开始，发现一些有特长或者有天分的孩子，拉出来单独培养。这也让我对美国的快乐教育又有了新的认识。今天是负责这个项目的项目老师单独约见我跟丹尼，就是要聊一下关于杰森进入天才计划的事儿。我们正好趁这个机会了解一下美国的天才项目到底是个什么情况。学校是禁止录像的，所以这期内容呢，我是偷着录的，不知道算不算是泄露了美国的国家机密。小伙伴们别忘了一键3连哟。
Very nice. And here. Nice to meet you.
Me too.
Okay. Thank you for coming. First of all, I want to say congratulations. That he was very intelligent, and he's been referred for the gifted program. So the initial process is the teachers kind of watch, observe how he's doing in class, and then make decisions based on that and test scores as to who would be a good candidate for the gifted program, and he is. Okay. So today, it's just basically getting your consent to have further evaluation by a psychologist, which doesn't mean like psychological, but basically it's an IQ test is what he'll be going through. It takes a while. It's a very long process. We have an actual gifted unit that are all together.
I just want to confirm, this is a program like very unique one, right?
It's accelerated. Right. So we're allowed to teach 2 grade levels ahead. Of course, if they're not at that level, we wouldn't do that. But most of the students are obviously at a higher level. We know that some kids are going to be gifted in reading, but not in math.
He is in math, not in reading.
Well, that's not a problem because we still do differentiated instruction. I have a lot of students that are ESOL that just came to the country and they made the gifted program, made it into the gifted program. So we do differentiated
We just
instruction.
came from China
Well,
2
okay.
years ago.
He was born and raised in China, and then he arrived here when he was 7.
No, he's 7 now.
He's 6.
1 year and 8 months ago.
Yeah, he had a very hard time here
Adjusting here?
adjusting the environment and also the language, because everybody speaks Chinese in China. So he had to improve his English and also his Spanish skills.
Mine too, right?
He doesn't understand anything of what the Spanish teacher is saying in class. So that's really tough for him too. But I know that he's smart because he understands things very easily, perfect. Yeah, we don't have to even explain much, but he understands your point. He also has his own point most of the time, which is great. And also his math, I also self-tested him at home, and he has his way, but he can come up with an answer, and it's correct.
And we encourage, that's something that we really encourage in the gifted program. We do it in the other general ed classes too, but we really encourage that outside of the box thinking. And kids learn from each other too. We're trying to get them to be creative thinkers and do more project-based learning. For me, they'll always have spelling. Of course, they're going to have their multiplication and then those drills that they do. But as long as you're
He does have the attitude to not homework every day. He doesn't really like to learn. Yeah, he's not self-motivated. He doesn't think that he needs to be better. You know, one time when I see his grade, there's 1 B on his Spanish, I was like, the rest of the course is all A. Why can't you get an A in Spanish? He says, B means good. I'm already good enough. Why do I have to have an A?
It's not.
He doesn't try.
You know that's a gifted trait.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that is a gifted trait. Because they're big, it's set in their ways, and they want to do it their way, and they know their way is the right way. That is a gifted characteristic.
Oh.
If you look up gifted characteristics, you will find that.
Oh, that makes me feel way better. This is something I was about to ask. We'll need some time to go back and see his Chinese academy. When would that be convenient if he's inside this program?
Oh, it's the same
Any-
regular
any-
school
oh,
year. Yeah.
the same,
It's
okay.
the same.
Oh.
Same regular hours. The difference is it's accelerated.
Yeah.
Once he's qualifies for gifted, he's always gifted. So let's say 1 year he's having a rough year and you feel like maybe it's probably is not going to be the case. Let's say he gets into the school and he has 2 years and he's just not performing well. You always have the right as a parent to take him out of the program and to put him back in.
Okay.
Do you want him to study in China or something?
That's right.
He goes there and then come back. Can he go back? The
Absolutely.
same gifted program?
Yes.
Having a plan for him to study some like maybe 1 or 2 years in China because he Chinese is his mother language,
Right.
but he need to learn the characters and learn how to read and write. That's very hard in China.
I
You know
know.
that, right?
I know.
Oh, it's like more than 30,000 vocabularies. Everyone is an individual painting. You have to remember all that. It
Yes.
take a long time. So that's
Right.
why I'm worrying that if I bring him back into China just for his Chinese language, but he will be falling behind on other courses here in the United
I
States.
highly doubt that. We all need a reading. But
Yeah.
when were you thinking about doing that? Would it be elementary, middle?
I think will be as early as better. I think
He's
Or-
always going to be
gifted. Okay.
Always.
你知道今天爸爸干什么了吗？爸爸妈妈今天见了你那个 gifted program 的老师，叫 Penny，
我知道 Miss Penny，
你知道他是吧？
我知道。
聊了聊之后，爸爸妈妈同意把你放到那个 gifted program 里，好不好？已经签了合约了。
When am I going?
他说从 Grade 3开始。
Bruh. That's gonna wait so long.
这个学期马上就快完了呀。他那个 program 是你得从开始跟人家，从一开始上学的时候去跟人家，是吧？但这个学期马上就结束了。